Hello guys, welcome to What's She Doing Ministries. I'm so Veronica and I'm so tired. It's been a long day. Let's get right into what we need to do. First things first, I remembered my microphone. Applause, applause. Oh, the hair. Yes, I should explain. I'm doing my hair so that I can wear it with my fascinator. So today we have our baby scallops. These were purchased from Walmart. I sound tired. Oh my God. They were purchased from Walmart for under $10. I want to say like $7, maybe $8. All right, so that's what they look like. If it appears that some of them are still frozen, so I'm going to rinse these in cold water real quick and season them. So this is definitely a beginner-friendly meal. Nothing that's going to overwhelm you, and you can season it to your liking. You can add something in. You can take something out. It's kind of like spaghetti, but just with Alfredo sauce and no meatballs. And I'm going to use some oil. No, some butter. Scallops are cooked in butter. Honestly, though, you cook yours in whatever you feel you want to cook yours in. But I'm gonna cook mine in some butter. You like, what is she getting now? What, you got the butter in your hand, lady. What are you doing? I'm getting some onions. Okay. Okay. All right. So now I was gonna get my cutting board out, but instead I'm just gonna use my plate. My good old faithful plate. But of course the cutting board would have been more aesthetically pleasing, but that's not how we do things over here. We do things for the hood cinematography on this channel. I am just taking my onion out. I don't think I've ever cooked my scallops with onion, but we're gonna do it today. We're gonna do it today. I was gonna say tonight. Technically it is night. I'm trying to take this rest of this Polish sausage up out of here. There we go. There it is. We're gonna slide the onion over there, and we're just going to very carefully, without slicing it. I broke my longest nail today, y'all. That was a little fat one. Had to cut that in half. So you like scallops and sausages? What is this, gumbo? Ooh, I haven't made gumbo in years. I just gave myself an idea. Oh, that may be too much butter. Too much margarine, darling. Anyway. We're gonna cook our sausages and onion first, because obviously the sausages are gonna take longer to cook. Well, I shouldn't say obviously, because some people don't know. Some people, they may have never cooked scallops before. Y'all know I work in a restaurant, and I have Googled it. I've watched videos on it, because I'm like, what exactly is a scallop? And someone asked me, you know, I researched it so that I knew the exact answer when people ask me, because a lot of people don't know. And I still can't tell you. I just know they come in a clam and they scrape out the inside of the clam. But I'm like, it's not a clam, obviously. Okay, so now we got our scallops rinsed, okay? Uh-oh, we lost an onion. Not on my watch. You don't want to over-season scallops. They're very delicate, and the seasoning can overpower them. I feel like the seasoning that's built into the sausages, and that's beef sausage, by the way. Yeah, I don't know how this video is going to turn out, because I am tired. And I'm still going to get my word after this. Because, you know, the enemy, he downplay it. Or he play it up how tired you are. But once you get in that word, something about it, and you are determined, you bring your flesh under subjection, and you like, we're going to read this word. You get through it. But the enemy tries everything to try to stop you from even attempting to get to it. You know, through the process of influence or suggestions. I'll put it that way. Because he don't have no power. He don't have no power. But he can suggest things and you're like, you know what? Oh, I am tired. No, you're not. Be not weary in well doing. So those look like they have cooked enough. And now we're just going to drop our scallops in there. Freshly rinsed. And they sat in that water for a while, so they're no longer frozen. You can smell them instantly. And now I'm going to turn the heat back up a little bit more. I will put a little, look, I don't know, a little bit of black pepper. Okay. A little bit of paprika. Am I reaching for straws here? Let me just stick with what I know. And what I know is the sausages are enough. I want to do onion salt. But the sausages are enough. I'm looking for some salsas. And I found some Alfredo. If I get Alfredo, I might as well get the spaghetti out too. I was just gonna put those on little shish kebab sticks, but might as well go all in. All right, we got our water going, and we will come back when everything is ready to be assembled. Maybe I should use the wooden thing when I do these videos so y'all don't hear all that metal scraping metal. I've cooked these before. I got a video on my channel. Cute little green dress. Stomach was a whole lot flatter. Looks like they shrink a little bit and they get a little bit thoit, like Tony the Tiger. I want to try one so bad. I recently cooked something. It's a concoction. Gotta see the video. But it was so good. It had vegetables and homemade Alfredo. And I put a lot of this garlic in there, so I forgot I had used it all up. But we're just gonna go ahead and open this. I think I got this from Dollar Tree. I should taste this before I go pouring that in there. So I just wanna show y'all when you get it from Dollar Tree. Oh, this from Walmart? Huh. Good, because I didn't think I would get anything like this from Dollar Tree. Just because, I don't know. That's vinegary. It's not garlic, that's vinegary. Lord have mercy. I ain't adding this in there. I want to show y'all what my original intention. Ooh, can't do that. Don't want to do that. Where are my... Alright, that's okay. We're going to keep it moving because that's what we do over here. Bring in the dancing boys. I know. The Royals are playing, not the Chiefs. Anyway, so this is what I was going to do. Everybody else in the house is eating, so... If it looks like I'm playing in the food, I probably am. It's like a little shish kebab. Of course, the beef sausages are gonna be good. In addition to the sausages, the scallops are good. I break mine in half and just drop it in. Break it in half and drop it in with Alfredo. Should have used this to begin with, but I didn't want to dirty up another dish. So yeah, that's why I avoid angel hair, because angel hair tends to be smushy. Alfredo. Now y'all know I know how to make my own Alfredo now. Y'all know that. But I'm not doing it today. Let me turn this fire off. Lord have mercy. And we want to add that. Now we're just going to mix it. Blend like our life depends. Alrighty. This is another random dish. Random, unique, unknown dish. After I eat, I want to clean this out. Is that going to be too much? I don't want no dishes. I did all the dishes. Okay, it fits. That way it can just go in the refrigerator. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. I done already put my little whatever I was scraping it with in the sink. All right. This is one of those I'm on a diet meals. You know, when they show it on TV, just a little bit of food in the center. And, hold on, a little bit of garnish. Do y'all see how pretty that is? That's the question. All right. And now we're just going to, ooh, Lord have mercy. I'm just going to taste a scallop, Alfredo, and some pasta. Let me get this fake hair out the way. Lord have mercy. Whew. I'm so hungry. It needs garlic salt or onion salt. Someone might feel as if I ruined it. I'm gonna do the garlic salt. Wrong end to open it with. Oof, Lord have mercy. Since I did, I'm gonna put a little bit in here. Somebody needs to know. All right, that was way too much. All right, take that off. Because I'd hate for somebody to open this up and the first thing they taste is a bunch of garlic, salt. Because I'll forget and I'll be the one to do it. You see how I'm using the claw to get what's on bottom to be on top. Anyway, we're going to scoop up a little bit of this, put it on there. Push that back. All right, so now we're going to try this again. I don't see nobody else's videos trying it again. But that's all right, though. My videos are unique. I'm going to taste it, see if it's too salty. Perfection. It's perfect now.